I'm Dan Cakora, business consultant here at Vendavo. We're a software company that helps our customers improve commercial excellence. A big and growing part of what we do is help our customers set up and manage rebates. Did you know that effective rebate programs typically drive between 2 and 8% of incremental sales? Rebates are a valuable tool in any company's pricing strategy. They create incentives to buy more. They enforce purchase commitments. They mask end customer net prices, especially in public markets, and they create rewards for customer or partner behavior that's desired rather than just all over the place. At Vendavo, we typically serve manufacturers and distributors. For manufacturers, we help them win business with end customers by offering appropriate prices for large deals. When customers buy more, they should get a better price, and this is a way to incentivize that. We also help drive qualified volume with distributors, meaning that the distributors only get special cost in on approved deals. On the distributor side of the coin, we help them capture every cent of earned rebates from suppliers. If you're pushing more volume to a supplier, you should be rewarded for that. And finally, we want to reward high volume customers of the distributors with special pricing. Now, this all sounds great in theory, but in practice, it's more difficult than you think. The difficulty usually falls into one of 4 buckets. The administrative effort to track net revenue and cost can be high, especially if it's done manually. Compliance with revenue accounting rules is of the utmost importance. This is not an instance where close enough is good enough. You need to be accurate. Rebates also have a risk of under or overpayment. Underpayment is no good because it wastes your channel partner's valuable time and it makes you more difficult to do business with. Overpayment is its own problem. That's money out of your pocket that you're just leaking. And finally, because many times these rebate processes are manual, they are prone to errors and mistakes. So when it comes to setting up a rebate, most of them start the same way. There is usually high-level info that defines the who, where, and when of any agreement. These are things like the vendors, the start and end date, the currency, and maybe the beneficiaries if that's someone else. Of course, there are more details that are important on any rebate agreement. The Details tab can govern the allowances, which includes payment for any rebate agreement. Different customers or channel partners like to be compensated in different ways, so the system can automate all of those payment methods. Discount lines can be set at any level of the product hierarchy. That means you can do it at individual SKUs up to big product groups, and you don't need to spend all day setting up your agreement. Additionally, you can set allowances at different rates for different parts of the product hierarchy. So some things might have a bigger discount than other things, and different items might be excluded entirely. That's okay, and it's easy to do in Vendavo's rebate and channel management. A popular feature on many rebate programs are volume tiers, which is when you incentivize a customer with different rates based on the volume that they are doing with you. We compute volume tiers either back to $1 or on an incremental level, and a really great feature that we have is that you can set a volume tier to have a starting tier, which means that if you expect a customer to hit the 3rd tier of business with you, you can start accruing for that right away instead of waiting till the end of the year and getting surprised by a large accrual. Payment frequency and automatic payment are set directly in the interface. It's also easy to define other payment terms, such as a preferred calendar, fiscal versus a calendar year, and specific pay-tos. From there, accruals, adjustments, and balances are summarized by multiple time dimensions. Additionally, you can forecast accruals based on previous transaction data. This can be done at the annual, quarterly, monthly, or even weekly level to avoid surprises in accruals. Finally, all the claim data is held in one place. That way, there is complete agreement on what was claimed and paid by who and when. Vendavo's rebate and channel management solution can help create value for organizations like yours. We do that by improving costs, payments, revenue, and current balances. There's lots of ways to win with Vendavo Rebate and Channel Manager. If you'd like to learn more about Vendavo's Rebate and Channel Manager, all you need to do is navigate to vendavo.com and click the big gold Request a Demo button, and an expert will be happy to speak with you.